This is what happens when a developer has the brilliant idea of creating an AI for the sole purpose of improving its game by feeding the AI with the whole source code as well as textures and screenshot of the game. With that being said, let's roll! Okay, so we got ChatGPT here and we're gonna start basic by telling it to generate a skin for my multiplayer competitive game, RoboFumble. It's free and you should wishlist it on Google Play Store. So, as I said, just a robot. Yeah, this isn't helpful. Okay, then just a moment. Okay, so after checking a bit, it seems that we have to upgrade. Yeah, no. Custom AI it is then. After looking for a while, it seems like TensorFlow can do exactly that. It's an open source API that lets you easily train and create your own AI in order to predict the behavior, such as detecting what is exactly happening in an image or create new images based on the training data. So, after installing everything and banging my head to the keyboard, this popped up. Basically, it analyzes a few hundred images of humans and a few other images that do not contain humans, after which... Oh wait, it's still not done. Good. After which it lets you choose any image and it will tell you if it's a human or not. And it works pretty well so far with the images that I've tested, as you can see. So, no complaints. It seems like it's ready for RoboFumble. Or is it? All I had to know was how is ChatGPT able to generate images, and it seems like it's a pretty easy concept to understand. Basically, you need two AIs combined into one. The first one is called the generator, which generates random noise and tries to fool the discriminator, whose job is to analyze that noise and decide if it's real or not based on the training data provided. At first, all the images will be targeted as fake, and that's why you just see random noise. But by giving the generator more time, you can see that he starts to understand how he can fool the discriminator and generates new images. I tried first with grayscale with this code that I didn't borrow and let it run for 100 iterations. It's not very impressive, I mean it's just the outline of the default robot. However, when I gave the AI the ability to see color, at first it's just a vibrant green, but just wait. See? No way, it gave the robot a hat, and nowhere in the training data there's a skin with a hat. So good job. Also, you might be saying that an AI like ChatGPT would generate a better image. Do you know how much data an AI like ChatGPT can access? Millions or billions of images. That is the reason the AI has much diversity, whereas my AI has only 18 images to work with, and that's why I think it's pretty impressive after all. Now this wouldn't be a complete test if we don't give the AI some screenshots to see what it generates, right? But before that... Hey, wake up. You got some work to do. Wait, let me out. Anyways, I'm a little bit short on screenshots, so I need to make some. Honest day for an honest work, I might say. So now that we have 5 screenshots, it's time to replace those and change this line. I mean this line, and now we're set, so let's run it and wait for 2 hours to complete. However, with the power of editing, it's already done and it looks questionable. I mean, what can you expect? Definitely a screenshot worthy of adding it to Google Play Store. I'll tell you what, if this video gets 100 likes, this ends up on the main listing page for the game. Moving forward, we can tick the box for screenshots, and I'm still curious how good is my AI at creating code. Probably is not. It should be way more easier than with images though. Way more easier. so much. This is how TensorFlow can generate text. I have no idea and I don't want to know, because when I asked Google, it gave me a snippet of a few hundred lines, so pass. That's when I found this open source API, Transformers. So, after installing it and asking it a very simple question, example for lerp function in Unity. Oh yes, the new plugin in Python, Unity. So, then I asked it the meaning of life, if it will ever turn rogue, and if it can control my PC. And I think he got offended when I asked him that, because my RAM usage increased by 20%. Now, before continuing, I want to thank RoboFumble for sponsoring this video. I mean, this is the gameplay of the game that you're seeing. In this game, you compete for the first place by qualifying in 3 rounds. Sounds familiar? Anyways, the map is randomly generated and you can use cool abilities to gain an advantage. By pre-registering, now you will get 2500 coins, 250 bolts and some skins that are still in development. Keep in mind that those skins will be unique, and the only way to get those is by pre-registering right now, using the link in the description. If you don't wishlist now, I swear I will find you and I will force you to wishlist. Respectfully, of course. Moving on, it's time to cook a banger, aka create the main theme for this game using my AI. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to make your code. Step 2. I swear bro, this whole video all I did was just copy and paste some code and then show the results. Who even finds this entertaining? Step 3. Get some training data. Step 4. Bake your masterpiece. Step 5. Convert. Step 6. Listen. You ready guys? Okay, so this is how the audio file looks in Audition, and I'm gonna play it in 3, 2, 1... Yeah, no, that was enough. Subscribe.